Okay, welcome to Acklam Car Centre. Today I'm going to show you around our newest arrival. Behind me, Discovery 5 D300, so the biggest horsepower you can get into Discovery. This is an aerodynamic SE in Hakuba Silver on a 72. It's done 21,000 miles. Key features about this is how good value for money it is. It's just a stunning car for the money, power, performance, four-wheel drive, air suspension. It looks fabulous with the black aerodynamic body styling, but then we've got the 22-inch diamond cut wheels, big option. We've got the sliding roof, detachable tow bar as an option, roof rails as an option, and this lovely colour interior. I love this interior on these. Matching the silver exterior really well. We've got the two-tone, full leather, Meridian sound, memory seats, 7 seats, adaptive cruise, 360 camera, heated seats. This is a stunning four-wheel drive car. Check out the price, because if you're looking for something that's family orientated, that's good on fuel, that's quick, that looks exceptional, and this has got to be in your running, because Hakuba Silver is the colour. Detachable tow bar makes a difference on these. A lot of people who buy these cars want to pull something, they want to tow something. The 300 horsepower engine does that with ease, and the tow bar's already there, so you don't have to buy that. We've got the 7 seats up. You still get ample boot space, electronic rear shelf. You can see we've got the parcel shelf in the boot, but you've still got enough to put your shopping bags in there. And these seats fold flat through the pull of this lever very, very easily. So this car really does offer you everything. Let's look at the styling. So this is an aerodynamic car, so you've got painted black sections, painted arches, black roof, roof rails. Keyless entry, as you can see, I've got the key in my hand. 2 pulls of the handle, you will open the rear. Then look at the space in the back of these as well. It's a stunning car, lovely order all around. Then as we come out, you'll see we've got Discovery side steps. Nice feature, make the car a little bit wider, functional, and they are very costly to put on one of these. They're already on there. To the front, you'll see we've got the LED lighting, we've got the Discovery badging in black, we've got the dynamic grille, we've got all the black section through the aerodynamic styling to the bottom of the car. And as you come around, let's look at the wheels. So 22-inch 5-arm wheels in a polished finish with the grey insert. It's a stunning wheel. It makes a difference on a car as big as this. And then we get on the inside. So full electric seats with driver memory, which is switchable here. We've got Meridian sound system. These are all lovely features of the SE spec. Keyless entry, keyless start. As I start this car up, you'll see we have, as the steering wheel lights up, we've got adaptive cruise control on the steering wheel, and then we've got the big touchscreen infotainment. If I turn the stereo down, climate control is digitalised. The seats are heated to the front. All you do is push the jog in and twist to heat your seat. Push it again, you can change the climate control. Pull it out, you can change the fan speed. That's how easy it is to do all this. Navigation, Bluetooth, wireless smartphone integration. If we swipe along the screen, there's so many different four-wheel drive, terrain settings, weight sensing, energy impact. We're then popping it into reverse. You'll see one of the big features on this car. The doors open, it's on red, but we have reverse camera, we have top view camera. Because we've got the tow bar from Land Rover, we have a towing camera, and then we have the full 3D surround view camera system showing our showroom there. Clever stuff. This is on the website now. It does everything you'd want a modern four-wheel drive to do, including having the dual sunroofs, opening at the front, fixed at the back. For me, for the value you're getting and the way this car looks, the options it's got, it's only done 21,000 miles. It's still under Land Rover warranty. It's a fabulous buy. It will sell quickly, so if you're interested, my number's on the screen. It's Richard. You can use that number to call me or WhatsApp me or text me. Thanks for watching.